welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing great. Today we are unboxing SanDisk Extreme 256 gigabytes memory card. I happened to get a hold on this through Big Billion sale. It was a great deal to go for because the actual price stands out around 7k, but because of the 70% discount that Big Billion happened to give me, I got it on a 2500. So this is how it looks like. It has 180 mbps speed that you can see, and the best part is it is compatible with SanDisk Professional, Pro Reader SD and Micro SD to achieve the stated read speeds. So it comes with a read speed up to 180 mbps, write speed up to 130 mbps. It also includes 1 year of Rescue Pro Deluxe software. Oh my god, that's so amazing. All the information given in other languages. You do have customer care, product code, and every information listed on that mini information. The best part is it is coming with a lifetime warranty, guys. So this is all information that you see back and front of this particular card. I'm gonna try to get a hold of it with the internal case, but as I informed you that it is something that you can count on, be it on a durability wise. It improve your work efficiency, short speed up to 130 mbps, perfect for 4K UHD videos, stunning sequential burst mode and shots. And guys, one important thing to keep yourself updated and your surrounding, please stay tuned with our channel, do subscribe it. And I got a case and I see that the SD card looks like in this way, and we have the normal, as you see, the gold bars on it, and then the other side that you see on the left extreme, we have a lock panel that you can slide up and down. So this is all about this perfect SD card that should be definitely in your bucket to capture the amazing moments of your life. Do share, subscribe, like our channel to keep yourself updated and your surrounding. Bye bye.